Hello guys, welcome to my channel and please subscribe my channel for more videos. Our today topic is domestic animals name in English and Hindi. And please subscribe my channel for more videos and share this video with your friends. Cat, बिल्ली, cow, गाय, dog, कुत्ता, rat, चूहा, horse, घोड़ा, pig, सुअर, goat, बकरी, sheep, भेड़, camel, ऊंट, rabbit, खरगोश, buffalo, बैंस, ox, बैल, pigeon, कबूतर, yak, yak, bull, सांड, mule, खच्चर, hen, मुर्गी, monkey, बंदर, donkey, गधा, mare, घोड़ी. And please subscribe my channel for more videos and share this video with your friends. And please support my channel for more videos.